Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, inside this video, I'm going to be teaching you a new way on how you guys can get paid apps for free, and this even has a unique feature of letting you teleport to other apps, which I think is really cool. And if you guys don't understand what I mean by teleporting to other apps, I'll be showing you that later on inside of the video, so stay tuned for that. Quick apology for using the same gameplay I used yesterday. I haven't had the time to go and record any new gameplay today. I haven't really been able to play my Xbox yet. Been busy running around doing stuff, doing adult things, as you guys know. But before we jump right into this video, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you're new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Now, one of my favorite things about this app is all of the animations it has. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to use the app, and then I'm going to show you how to get it. So let me enable night mode so we don't get bothered by any notifications that pop up on my screen. As opening it, you already see a bunch of animations, which is what I love about this app. I love apps that have a bunch of animations. Animations and things that light up and things that move are things that drive me insane. And yes, I just said things like 20 different times in one sentence. So if we scroll through all the categories, those are all the apps that you can go ahead and download. Of course, guys, we could keep scrolling through. Those are some of their hacked ones. And again, there will be more added as time goes on, just like every other Cydia alternative. I'm going to go ahead and download the PB++, which is Playbox, but tweaked to have no ads in it. They even have emulators, which is really nice. They have a bunch of different stuff on your system apps that do certain little things. Here's the app teleporter I was telling you guys about, which I can go ahead and show you later. I'm going to keep going through here. If we go ahead and go to info and other stuff, it'll just tell you more about it. But let's if you hit iOS Haven, it teleports you to another app. So if I close out of there and reopen it to refresh it to go back to AppEase. Now let's go ahead and go to Ease Portal. And if we swipe all the way to the left of one of them, it will actually go ahead and teleport us to it. So let's teleport to App Valley. And there you go. It instantly loaded up App Valley. I think that is really cool that it does that. You guys could just have this app and this app only, and it could teleport you to everything. It does need Tweakbox on it, though. If it had Tweakbox, then it would have literally all of them except for Tutu. But who cares about Tutu? So anyways, guys, we can even go through this little CCRecord installer, whatever that is. And of course, it'll teleport us straight to that app. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. If we go ahead and tap on that play box, it'll ask us to sign it. And remember, this is how you trust apps. You want to go to General, go down to Profiles, Device Management, scroll down to the bottom to Enterprise App, Trust again. And then we can go ahead and open it up, guys, and there you go. So of course it'll start loading, but I'm going to go ahead and close out of that and show you guys how to get the app. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link inside of the description, guys. Once you get to the link inside of the description, it should look something like this. Go ahead and scroll down until you see AppEase. Scroll all the way down till you see download. Go ahead and click download, click install again, click install again. If you have to input your password, then input your password. And then we can slide all the way over, and bada bing bada boom, you've got it installed and you have it. And of course we can go ahead and open it up. One of the things I forgot to mention inside of this was the request feature, so let's go ahead and talk about that. If I go ahead and tap on request, we can actually request apps to be added, which is really cool. I don't think I've seen another app with that. Most of them you just have to contact them on Twitter or something along the lines of that to get to it. So I can request an app, so you can select if it's paid, you can select if there's a plus version of it. Then we type in the app name, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in sub to AJ170 and leave a like. So give me a chance to type all that in. And it actually won't even let me type it in because there's a character limit, but there's sub to AJ170. And then we can hit send request. Nothing happened. I'm going to go ahead and press it a few times. I have no idea if it is getting sent or not. There's nothing telling me that. There's a chance they just got 7 app requests for AJ170 subscriptions or whatever. I have no idea. But that's how you guys get this new amazing app and how to use it. So this is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.